Hello and good morning. Let's take a look at today's work. Well, as you know, we're on chapter 2. So your beginning balance in your checking account is $3,000, but you write a check, so you have to subtract that. You put some cash in the bank, so you have to add that. You got a rebate, you have to add that. And whatever you get is your answer. So if you look here, this is 150, and if you take 150 out of that 250, you're left with 100. So all of you really doing is subtracting 100 out of that 3,000. Okay? So it looks like 2,900 should be your ending balance. All right, let's move on. Today you have to finish, well, we have worksheet B, and then I want you to do this in the book. I want you to finish that up. Okay? So that's what we're doing today. And the worksheet looks like this if you can't be with us. And you can pause the video and copy it if you need to. Okay, so two things today. And there it is. All right, let's talk about now college algebra. Okay, so for college algebra, I want the chart. Well, the chart is a plus and a plus, two pluses. A negative and a positive, two negatives. Anything else is a plus and a minus in subtraction. Okay? So if you remember these two, then the rest, positive and a negative, negative and a negative. And there it is. That is the chart. So if you look here, you have a plus and a minus, that's this one. So one answer is going to be a plus, and one answer is going to be a minus. We don't know which one. Well, 2 times 3 is 6, and when you subtract, according to the chart, you get 1. So you want a M, a 2, an M, and a 3. Since the middle sign is plus, you're going to put that with the bigger one. Whatever the middle one is, and then put a minus there. Always check the outer, check the inner, and see if you get the middle term. Okay? This one right here, you have to first take out a 2. They all have a 2 in common. So you're going to take out a 2, and you're left with n squared plus n minus 6, because 2 times 6 is 12. Now this right here is going to factor as 2 times 3, just like we did before. And we want the plus there and the minus there, and now you're done. This one right here, 7 times 7 is 49, and the square root of 49 is 7. Now mathematically it looks like this. You have the square root of 7 to the first power times the square root of 7 to the first power, and since you're multiplying, you add these up. So you're going to get the square root of 7 squared. And the square root and the square are inverses of each other. So you can think about it two ways. Today's work is right here. You're going to finish worksheet A, which I gave you yesterday, which looks like this. If you can't be with us, then there it is. Copy it down. All right. Have a good morning.